A quick chart check with Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls and some trading ideas as well. Sacchitanand, good morning. Thank you for joining in. Now that we are above the mark of 23,000, do we see a move further higher, or do we see some bit of consolidation now that we have gained almost over 1,000 points now from the lows of the 4th of March?
Good morning, almost. Good morning, Mangalam. I think clearly the trend is very strong. We may see this particular rally getting extended towards 23,400, where its 200-day exponential moving average is placed. Primarily, if you look at the last 3 trading sessions, Nifty IT was not contributing, and we have seen a good strong pullback moves in some of the large cap IT stocks. So probably because of that, we may see this particular rally getting extended. A minor consolidation cannot be ruled out. We may see some slippages of profit booking, but I think the support at 22,900 looks very strong, at least for the day. On the higher side, we may see some bit of consolidation near that 23,100 mark, where the call writers have been confident. So I think there could be some range-bound action within this particular range of 23,100 to 22,900, but eventually we may see this particular rally extending towards 23,400.
Wonderful. What about the Nifty Bank facing some bit of congestion around that 50,000 mark? And if you could lace that with your individual stock picks as well, Sachi.
Well, Mangalam, I think for Nifty Bank, the hurdle is very evident at 50,000. So until unless we don't see this particular level getting crossed, the chances of a momentum-driven rally look bleak. We may see, the Nifty Bank again displaying a pullback towards 49,500. This is where its 50-day exponential moving average support is also placed. So the range for Nifty Bank looks very confident. 500 looks 5,000, 50,000 looks like a very strong resistance, but on the lower side, 49,500 looks like a decent support. So we may see oscillation there. On the stocks front, Titan is something that we have also recommended to our clients on the long side. Now, if you look at the overall structure, the stock was in a low top, low bottom sequence, but recently we have seen a good surge in this particular counter. There's a rounding bottom formation on its 60 minutes chart, plus the 3,100 call writers have been pushed behind. So probably we may see this particular momentum getting extended towards 3260, where its 50-day exponential moving average is placed. And that's why we are still recommending building long positions in Titan. The stop loss for the trade can be placed at 3090 on a closing basis. And any pullbacks towards 3130 would again give a very strong, good opportunity from a reward to risk perspective. So we are recommending building long positions in Titan. The second stock on our radar is Nykaa. Now, if you look at the last 2-month structure, the stock has been oscillating within this range of 155 on the lower side and 180 on the higher side. It has started trending above its 50-day exponential moving average today, and that's why we are recommending it from a momentum perspective. We may see a surge towards 178. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at around 165 on a closing basis. And even here, some aggressive long positions can be deployed.
All right, Sacchitanand, thank you so much for spending time joining us today with your views on the index and specific stocks as well. Titan and Nykaa, his top picks. Taking our focus to the special segment where we get to a few ideas for profit.